What's up guys, and welcome to Titan Trading channel. Here in this channel, we'll be talking about trading and investing in the Malaysian stock market. We'll be looking at technical charts to see what's actually going on for a particular stock, and I'll be sharing my personal opinion based on my knowledge of technical analysis that I've acquired as a full-time trader. Before we begin in this video, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you find our information helpful. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave a comment down below and let's feel free to discuss about it. Just a disclaimer, everything shared on this channel is purely my personal opinion and is done for educational purposes only. I will not give buy and sell calls, and please do not treat anything I say as buy and sell calls. If you wish to be a successful and profitable trader, you must be able to conduct your own research and come up with your own decision when executing your trades. Okay, in today's video, we'll be talking about AJIYA BHD. Alright, so I have my chart here. This is a daily chart on TradingView. Alright, so what's actually happened is that the stock had a really strong breakout from the 1 ringgit 20 cent region around October last year, all the way towards its new all-time high of 1 ringgit and 79 cents during December. So it's a strong surge of around 48% in around 1 to 2 months, alright, on the daily chart. And since then, it had been consolidating and retracing, actually form a solid support around the 1 ringgit 52 cents level. Alright, now let's zoom in to the hourly charts to see what's actually going on here. Okay, as usual, let me zoom in a little bit and pull out my Fibo tool here. Alright, here, and then so what I actually see here is actually, like something like this. Alright, so it's actually forming, it was actually trading within a large symmetrical triangle consolidation pattern. Alright, that's usually what we call it. This is a symmetrical triangle consolidation pattern, right, where you sort of form lower highs and higher lows along the way, and when we reach the breaking point, we'll either usually see a breakout or a breakdown, right? So for this case, obviously we had a breakout, right? We had a breakout here from the 1 ringgit and 72 cents resistance towards the all-time high of 1 ringgit and 79 cents. All right, so what's happened actually is that it failed to break out, right? As you can see here, there was usually pretty strong selling resistance around the 1 ringgit 75 region and above, right? And it happened here as well, right? So what's actually happened is that it could be retracing and forming a higher low pattern, right? We retest, so we sort of retest the support here around 1 ringgit 70 cents level, and you know, it could like just continue to go up here. All right, so overall I think looking pretty strong here in terms of momentum. Volume wise, it's been pretty low, in a pretty low volume consolidation pattern, so I highly doubt that any significant selling activities had been going on over the past say 2 months of consolidation and retracing. Right, usually when operators they want to take profits, you will start to see like huge volume selling, but for here it's a low volume consolidation. So if you zoom out, you could consider this whole process as a sort of a low volume pullback. All right, so yeah, for now looking decent. All right, if it's able to hold around the 1 ringgit 70 cents support, it could potentially still go up and form a bullish continuation, right? As to how high, it's hard to say, right? For now, the main resistance that we can refer to would be the 1 ringgit and 79 cents all-time high level, all right? And afterwards, you will have to see how it goes, and you have to stay tuned and check for updates from my channel where I will continue to provide, right? But of course, things could also go bad, right? Just like everything in life, right? It's the same like in technical charts, right? So if unable to hold the 1 ringgit 70 cents, then it could actually go back down towards 1 ringgit 50 cents, 1 ringgit 56, and 1 ringgit 48 cents, right? It could do that. It could do that if unable to hold above the 1 ringgit and 70 cents support. Alright, so we have to see how it goes, right? Hopefully for now, for the coming week, the 1 ringgit 70 cents support will be quite crucial here. Alright, if unable to hold, then we'll refer to the 1 ringgit and 65, 66 cents support here as the next level of reference. Alright, but I think overall it's looking pretty good here. Alright, overall looking pretty good, pretty healthy uptrend if you ask me. Alright, so yeah, do stay tuned for more, and all of this is just my personal opinion and just a disclaimer. It should not be a buy or sell call for AJIYA. I'm just providing technical updates for AJIYA, and yeah, thank you very much and stay tuned for more updates.